Writing a resume is a challenging task for most. Between knowing what information to include, which format works best, and what words to use, it's easy to get puzzled or frustrated. Thankfully, AI can help. I'm Ava from Quillbot, and I'm going to explain how to use AI to write a resume in 5 steps. Step 1. Gather and organize the information to include in your resume. Make a list of your contact information, relevant qualifications, experience, education, projects, and volunteer work and skills. Include a mix of hard skills, like software and technical know-how, and soft skills, which are more personality-based. Step 2. Write your prompt. Make it as specific as possible, and remember, your resume should be tailored to the job you're applying for. Your prompt might be something like, write a resume for a sales manager with 10 years of experience in B2B, focusing on leadership. Step 3. Paste your resume info and job listing. This helps give AI context. You should also prompt it to include keywords from the listing in the resume it generates. Many recruiters use AI to screen resumes, so including keywords may increase your chances of passing the initial round. If you're looking for an AI tool to help you write your resume, Quillbot's AI chat is free to use. Prompt the tool, paste your resume info, and then paste the job listing. An AI chat will generate a tailored resume for you in moments. If you want to adjust parts of it, you can do so by chatting with the tool in the dialog box at the bottom of the screen. Step 4. Review AI's output. AI is powerful, but for an important document like a resume, you'll want to make sure you carefully review the content it creates. Fact-check it, proofread it, and check its tone and style. If there are any errors, edit the resume. Quillbot's writing tools can help you with this step. Step 5. Format your resume. Many AIs don't offer advanced formatting capabilities, so it's best to design your resume outside of AI. Use a word processor or design tool to give your resume a clean, consistent, and professional format.